Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to link your YouTube account to your Discord. To do this, you have to just go to your settings of your Discord account here. Now here just go to connection. Now you will see a lot of account has been, you will get a lot of option. Just click on arrow button. Now you will see this YouTube icon here. Go and click on YouTube. You will be redirected here. So let's say that I want to connect this YouTube channel right now. Automatically I have to just click on continue, and automatically fail to connect YouTube account to your Discord because I have an issue with my Discord account, right? So basically you need to just give the permission and automatically you will able to connect your Discord with your YouTube, right? Now I tried it once again and it's just working perfectly fine. So connected your YouTube account to Discord, and now it has been connected. As you can see here, display on profile, so it will show on my profile here somewhere. If it's not showing, then I just need to go here connection and make sure that this toggle is on, right? I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.